13? You didn't just turn 13 after?
I turned 13, I got it a month after I turned 13.
Okay.
And I had it for like a month.
That was a good time in your life to get for something? What? I'm serious. I have 2 boys. You think I should wait till he's 13 in 1 month? No, he's 4 in 1 month.
No.
You just locked my son out?
Oh, God.
Wow! If you had a cell phone, I could call him and tell him to go in the family emergency entrance and exit.
Pool. I wants to go in the pool.
Do people ask you to use your phone all the time?
Yeah?
Yeah, because you're probably one of the only kids at school now. You like the
No.
Really?
Like everyone in my class has one.
No way.
They can get,
Ryan.
get the study.
Ryan, what are you doing?
No.
The teacher's getting mad at you.
He likes the trampoline a lot.
Well, you